we have studied about the tropical deciduous forest, in which we have studied that what is the location of that forest, what is the climate, and what is the major what is the climate of that forest. So that we have studied in firstly that tropical evergreen forest, then tropical deciduous forest, and now the temperate evergreen forest. So we will understand about the temperate evergreen forest. So from our chapter natural vegetation and wildlife, we have understand what is vegetation and wildlife. So we will understand how the forests that contain these vegetation and wildlife. So that we have completed that the tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, and now it's time for temperate evergreen forest. So in previous video we have studied in first forest we have studied that tropical evergreen forest, but now there is temperate evergreen forest. So the word tropical is replaced by temperate. So what is the difference between tropical and temperate? Firstly we will understand what is the big difference between these two things. So tropical and temperate. What is the difference between these two words? So tropical, as I have told you, from the 23-degree north and to the 23-degree now south. So as you know in the figure that the green line as marked. So the green line is 23-degree north and 23-degree south. So 23 and half degree north, 23 and half degree south. So this is the place where the tropical region. Tropical region means the place that gets directly sun rays from the sun. So it is the called tropical region or tropical region or equatorial region. So tropical region, this green line as you can see. So this green line is tropical. Tropical from where tropical evergreen forest lies. So what is temperate? What is temperate? As you know that at the 90-degree there is torrid zone, both north and south. So at the center this is called tropical, where the directly sun rays come, and the upper part of both of the earth, north and south, there is torrid zone, where as you know there is Antarctica and Arctica are the north pole and south pole. So these are the torrid zone, where the cold is very high, where is extreme cold, and where the temperature is on freezing point. So this is called torrid zone, where the extremely cold. So as you know that there is torrid zone in the north, torrid zone in the south. So these are the two torrid, and in between there is tropical zone, where the sunlight of equator lies directly, and in the between of these two, north torrid to the north tropical there is temperate, and to the south tropic to the south torrid to the south tropical there is also temperate zone. So this dotted blue line is temperate zone. Is temperate zone where the too much not very cold, too much not very hot. So like in the tropical region there is very hot, no, but in the torrid zone there is very cold, no. These are the region where the climate is moderate, like there is not any heat, not any too much cold. So I hope you know what is the difference between these two things, these two tropical and temperate. So now let's get to our topic. And these forests means temperate evergreen forest are located along the eastern margins of the continent. Means that if there is any continent, like I have roughly drawn North America, and if there is a continent, so it will be situated on the eastern part or coastal areas. It is not compulsory that these forests are lies only coastal area. No, some of the forests can lie on other places, but most of the forests are lying on the coastal areas. Coastal areas means that the seashore area, like in Mumbai is a coastal area. Coastal area means that the part that is very near to the sea is called a coastal area. So these forests are eastern margins of the any continent. So eastern part of North America is this. So eastern part of North America is coastal line. So these. So but there is one condition, that it is to be above the tropical region and below the torrid zone. So now let's see in the map. For some example of these places are South China, east coast of South America, and now let's see these places on the map. So as you know, the South China, as you can see in this map, that it is China. That is, this place is China. So the Southeast China is, as you can see, this is the tropical line. So in this region, tropical evergreen forest lies. So above this place, this is the Southeast China. So here the temperate evergreen forest lies, and next the east coast of South America, South Africa. Sorry, east coast of South America. South Africa means that it has to be below the tropical forest. So it will be that this area. This is also in the temperate evergreen forest. And now Southeast Brazil, as you know, that is this country is called Brazil. So this is the Southeast Brazil, means that this is south part. As you can see, south, north, west and east. So south part, this, and north, southeast means that this side. So this is the temperate zone where temperate, so not very hot, and it is below the, as you can see, this is below the tropical region. So this is called in this season temperate evergreen forest is found. And East Australia, as you can see in the picture, this is below the equatorial line. So there is East Australia, east part of Australia is also the temperate evergreen forest. And southeastern USA. So as you can see, these both two lines are, and the southeastern USA is above these lines. So above these lines, so this area has temperate evergreen forest. Southeastern America, south part is this and the eastern part is this. So this area will be have a temperate evergreen forest. And Uruguay is a small country which is on the southeast part. As you can see in the below Brazil, just below the country, that just below the Brazil is called Uruguay, and it is the best place for temperate evergreen forest, where the temperate evergreen forest can lie. So I hope you have understand where these forests can be situated and what are the some places where these forests are situated. So now let's see what is the vegetation and wildlife of these forests. So now let's see, we have understand where is the location of these forests of temperate evergreen forest. Now let's see what is the wildlife and the vegetation of these forests. So firstly, vegetation. These forests have mixed variety of hardwood and softwood trees like pine, oak, eucalyptus and walnut. So these forests are mixed variety of hardwood and softwood, means that what is hardwood and softwood? So the hardwood, that if the pulp of any tree is soft or hard, determines that the what is softwood or hardwood. If the pulp is soft, there is softwood, and if the pulp is hard, so it will hardwood. So what is softwood and hardwood? I hope you understand. So these trees like pine, what are the trees found in these forests? Like pine, oak, eucalyptus and walnut. These are some forests like eucalyptus. Or some 90% of you have seen the eucalyptus. So these are the trees found. These are some trees found in this region, and these are the hard and variety of hardwood and softwood found in these forests, temperate evergreen forest. And bear, wolves, fox and deer are some animals of this region. Some animal of this region means that bear, wolves, fox and deer are some animals of temperate evergreen forest. Some animals of the temperate evergreen forest: bear, wolf, fox, deer. So I hope you have understand the today's forest, temperate evergreen forest. So in our next video we will understand vegetarian forest. Till then, thank you. Save tree, save water. Say no to plastic.